Let's make unique prawn recipe today. Yes, I'm speaking about prawns tossed in peanut butter sauce. Let's begin the preparation. I'm using 400 grams of prawns. I've cleaned and deveined it. Firstly, marinate the prawn and squeeze in half portion of lime juice. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and salt to taste. Mix it well. Now heat cooking oil in a pan and let's shallow fry the prawns on medium flame for 2 minutes. Once done, remove it from the pan and in the same pan add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic along with 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger, 2 green chilies finely chopped. Allow it to cook for 3 minutes on low flame. Meanwhile, let's prepare the sauce mix. 1 teaspoon of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon of Szechuan sauce and mix it well. Now let's add the sauce mix along with some water and add prawns and toss well. It's ready to serve. If you like the video, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.